students, today we are in physics lab for perform an activity. The activity which is based on concave mirror. Today we will do an activity to determine rough focal length of concave mirror by obtaining image of distant object and material required for this activity: concave mirror, a mirror holder, a small screen and measuring scale. As we know that how does concave mirror works? When the parallel beam of ray incident on mirror after reflection, they meet at a point which is called principal focus, and we know that the distance between principal focus and the pole is called focal length. So what we need to find? We are just finding the focal length. Clear? Okay, see student, what you see outside the window? We can see the tree outside the window, and this is our distant object. So we are using the method which is distant method to find the image of an object. Clear? Earlier we discussed material required. This is concave mirror, and this is mirror holder, and this is a small screen, and this is a meter scale. Now I am facing this mirror to the. Now I place the small screen in front of mirror between the object and the mirror, and what we get? Let's look. What do we see? We see the inverted image made by the concave mirror. Now we have to calculate the focal length and which is the distance between the screen and the mirror. Now you see, I pointed the mirror at 21. So the position of the concave mirror is 21, and what we are see, the screen is placed at 5.5. So the screen position is 5.5. Okay, now we are measuring the length, which is our focal length. I placed the mirror at 21, and the position of the screen we will get is it at 5.5. If you see, the position of images at 5.5. So if we get the position of a mirror at 21 centimeter and the position of the screen at 5.5 centimeter, so the final focal length is 15.5 centimeter. Okay student, now we calculated the focal length, which is 15.5 centimeter. I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Thank you.